This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making tofu with preserved eggs. Let's start with the preserved eggs. I bought some salted eggs and century eggs with the outer cover already removed. If your century eggs have the outer husk, just rub off the husk. If the husk is too difficult to remove, soak the egg in water for about 5 minutes. After which, you can remove the shell. Century eggs are ready to go as it is, so there's no need to boil them. If it's too much of a hassle to clean your century eggs, just buy the ready cleaned century eggs. If your salted eggs have a layer of outer black ash, just rub off the ash and boil the egg for about 5 minutes. Let the egg cool and you can remove the shell. Again, if it's too much of a hassle to clean and boil salted eggs, just buy the ready cleaned and boiled ones. Next, cut them into small little pieces. I have here 2 pieces of silken tofu. Cut open the top and unbox the tofu onto a serving plate which you're going to use for steaming. Having difficulty removing the tofu in one piece? Just poke a hole at the back of the box, let in some air, and the tofu will slip out easily. Next, put the chopped up salted eggs and century eggs onto the top. Cling wrap the whole dish and steam it for 5 minutes. Ensure that your cling wrap is made for steaming. That information should be stated on the cling wrap box. To make the sauce, remove the cling wrap. Pour the water that's in the dish into a heat-proof bowl. Take note, a heat-proof bowl. Or you can pour the liquid into a saucepan. To this, add enough stock to make about 200 ml. You can use whatever stock you like. Chicken, beef, vegetable, fish. Add 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. 3 teaspoons of light soy sauce. 2 teaspoons of Chinese cooking wine. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Half a teaspoon of sugar. And a few dashes of pepper. Stir this really well. Now, taste it and adjust for seasoning. When you're happy with the taste, add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Stir this well and make sure that all the cornstarch has been dissolved. Bring this sauce to a boil by putting it in the microwave or over the stove. Remember to stir constantly so that the sauce will not get lumpy. When the sauce is done, pour it over the tofu just before serving. Garnish it with lots of spring onions. This is steamed tofu with preserved eggs.